Hola everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Marianelli, and as you guys can already tell, I did color my hair again. I just wanted to go back to my natural hair color. We'll just go back to the dark side. I was kind of getting bored of the light color that I had on my ends. Not that I didn't like it, I loved it actually, but for the winter, for the winter, I wanted to just go back to my natural hair color. If anyone is interested in watching how I went from dark to light color, I will leave my video in the card so you guys can go ahead and watch it. But in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys once again how I prep my curls, what color I use, because this is a DIY, the styling products that I use to style my curls once I had colored my hair. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see how I achieved this color, please keep on watching. Real quick before we jump into this video, I just want to say that this video was filmed back in October. Like the last 2 weeks of October was when I colored my hair. So my hair color in the video does look really dark, like almost black, like a light black, but it's supposed to be a dark brown. I got this color because the girl told me that this color was eventually gonna fade to the color that I was looking for, like a dark brown. So this right here, these pictures that I'm showing you right now is basically my current hair color, what it looks like now. I have washed my hair now since I dyed my hair over 8 times, and the reason for that was so the color would fade to my natural hair color. So this is what my hair is currently looking like, and here is a picture of me in the sun, well, my hair in the sun, so you can see like the dark brown. So yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted to go for this color, and the girl was really right about how the color was gonna fade. So I'm really thankful that I got someone that is very knowledgeable in hair color at Sally's. Just wanted to say that before we jump into the video, because yeah, it is now December, and like I said, I did color my hair back in October. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm gonna attempt to vlog from my phone. I do not have a vlogging camera. I am planning on buying one. So I'm sorry if the lighting is like completely off. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. It just doesn't capture the lighting very well. Give me a second. Okay, so yeah, so I'm prepping my curls, my hair, my scalp, whatever, for my hair dye. I actually need to wash my hair because I have not washed my hair in over 7 days, and my scalp is like completely nasty and it's just itchy, and I need to cleanse my scalp. So I am gonna be using the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal Revival. I'm gonna put a picture because I actually have it in the fridge of what I'm gonna be using. Yeah, I'm gonna use that on my scalp. It's a shampoo, so it's really good for your hair and your scalp. And after that, after the shampoo, I'm gonna be using the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment. I have used this one before. I actually used it on my first video where I dyed my hair, and I really like it. It's really good. It's very affordable. I got this one from Sally's. So I will link everything, all the products that I'm talking about, including the hair dye and everything, in the description box below if anyone is interested. But yeah guys, I'm gonna be using this one in the shower. I'm not gonna film myself in the shower because it's just like it's too much. So I'm just gonna tell you now what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use first my Briogeo shampoo, and then I'm gonna use the 2-step system, and I'm gonna prep my curls that way. And after that, I'm gonna let my hair dry. Well, I'll be back once I have showered. Right now, I am gonna go work out, and then I'm gonna shower. So the reason I put this in the fridge is because it's recommended on this product because it does contain natural oils and they separate. So once you put it in the fridge and you give it a good mix, it will go back to its natural consistency, which is like a whipped kind of consistency, as you guys can see here. So yeah, you leave it in the fridge for 2 hours, and then you put it on your scalp, and it just feels so amazing. It feels really cooling on the scalp, and I really love this product. It has become one of my favorites for clarifying and detoxing my scalp and hair. So after rinsing off the shampoo, I'm going to go ahead and use the 2-step protein treatment by ApHogee that I told you about. I put on gloves because it is very sticky. It is very runny, so it gets messy. So just be careful if you guys do end up using this product. I'm just going to use my brush to really distribute the product throughout my whole hair. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go eat while my hair dries, because you're supposed to rinse this off, we'll wash it off with shampoo once your hair is like completely hard, because this does get your hair really hard. So once it's hard and I'm done eating, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off, and I'm gonna be using my the step 2, which is the moisturizing conditioner, and I'm also gonna be using my Miche moisture balance conditioner, moisture protein balance conditioner, just because I know that this is not going to be enough. Like, I feel like even the protein was not enough. I needed 2 packets, but next time I'm definitely going to get 2 packets because I need 2 packets. So this is the hair dye and the developer that I used. This is the brand. I got this from Sally's. This is from Argan Oil, and this is a Demi permanent. The color is in medium chocolate brown. I bought 3 of these, but I ended up using almost 2. Then I went in with the developer 10. The girl did suggest for me to use a 10 developer because I was gonna go dark. So yeah, this is what I used, guys. And for those of you interested in the mixture, the girl told me to use, since this is 3 ounces, I was supposed to double the ounces of the developer, so I ended up using 6 per box of hair dye. Alrighty, so you're supposed to double it, but don't take my word as a professional, because I am not a professional. I am a DIY person. So yeah, first things first, before dyeing my hair, I always do a test strand. This is very important because you don't know how the color is going to turn out. So I always recommend for you guys to do a test strand if you guys are dyeing your hair at home. Once I did the test strand, I decided that I liked the color, so I went ahead and I just did small sections, and I just brushed my hair with the hair dye. Nothing special, no special technique that I did. I just basically did the basics throughout my whole hair. So I'm gonna kind of like skip through this fast because, like I said, it's nothing special. It's just regular hair dye, like just brushing up and down throughout my whole hair. Once I was done with my entire hair, I put on a bag and I just left it on for like 40-45 minutes, and that was it. I rinsed it off. Alrighty, so this is the shampoo and the conditioner that I used after I rinsed off my hair dye. This is from Briogeo. This is from their Don't Despair Repair line Super Moisture shampoo and conditioner. This contains protein, so it is really good for chemically processed hair, for damaged hair like by heat or whatever. This line, it's really good. That's why I decided to use this one right after my hair dye, because it contains really good proteins and it's gonna really repair my hair. So yeah, this is what I used. After rinsing my hair off, this is my hair color. It looks really dark right now, but that's okay because the girl did say that the hair color was actually gonna end up looking very dark in the beginning, and then eventually it was gonna fade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my Olaplex, and I'm gonna leave this in throughout the night. I'm gonna be using a bonnet to sleep because I am sleeping with the treatment on. I'm just gonna let my hair air dry before I go to bed, and then I put on my bonnet to go to sleep. And I like to leave the Olaplex overnight just because I feel that it works for me overnight. I don't know, I'm weird, but I just feel like the longer it sits in my hair, the more results I'm gonna get out of it. So that's why I'm gonna sleep with it in, but it is optional. You can leave it up to an hour and then rinse out. I just like to do this, so yeah. And I only do this with the Olaplex, not any other hair mask. I only do this with the Olaplex because, you know, it's expensive, so you know, I'm trying to get the most out of this bottle. Good morning. So I just woke up. I took off my bonnet. I slept in my bonnet, in this one. I slept really good actually. My hair was a little bit of wet, so it did transfer through my pillow, like through the bonnet and my pillow, the wetness. Sorry, my eyes are red. I mean, I don't know why every time I wake up my eyes are like really red, but anyways, this is my hair color. It looks darker than it should be, but that's fine because the girl did say at Sally's that it was gonna look darker than I wanted, than the chocolate brown that it looked like in the box. So right now I'm actually gonna go work out. I'm gonna get in the treadmill for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse off Olaplex that I have in my hair. Alrighty, so after rinsing off my Olaplex, I went ahead and then I used again the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair shampoo. And after rinsing that off, I used the Naturally Drenched Rebalance. This is basically to rebalance your pH level. It is great right after you have dyed your hair because the color will throw off your pH balance on your hair. So this will balance it out, and this is a pre-conditioner, so you put it in before your regular conditioner, so it's in the middle. So right after this one, like I said, I put in my shampoo and then I put this one on, and this leaves your hair so soft. Like, it's incredible. I love this so much. I think this was one of my first collabs I ever did on Instagram with Naturally Drenched, and I really love their product. It is really good. It is for all curl types, and you can use this product even if you don't do like any chemical process on your hair. You can still use this about every 7 weeks. I use it about every 7 weeks, or when I do like clarifying. It's just gonna really help you rebalance your pH level. But yeah, especially great for any process that you're gonna do to your hair, especially like perms or any hair color. This is really good, and I'm gonna leave their website in the description box below if anyone is interested. But yeah, then I went ahead and I used again my Don't Despair Repair conditioner, and I left this on for like 2-3 minutes. Since you do have to leave this one on, I forgot to say that, but you're supposed to leave this one on for like 5 minutes, and then you can actually detangle with it because it leaves your hair extremely soft. And then I left this one on for like 2 minutes and I rinsed it out, and that was it for my final wash. So after I washed my hair, I decided that I wanted to do a haircut, a small trim basically, but I do already have 2 DIYs on how I cut my own hair. I will leave both cards on top for anyone that is interested, because I'm just gonna fast forward throughout my haircut process because I already have 2 videos, so check them out if anyone is interested. What I did for this cut is called the DIY Single Unicorn Cut without the V shape. So check it out if you're interested. And these are the results. What do you guys think? I actually love the color and the cut. I really do like how it came out. Like I said, I really wanted to go back to my natural hair color, so I'm really excited. So I actually went in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Storing Styling Lotion. This one especially for chemically processed hair or heat and styled hair. So this one actually gave me a lot of moisture. It does contain shea butter, Jamaican black castor oil, and some peppermint. I can't really tell, it does have peppermint. It does contain protein, so my hair needs protein, so this one did really good for. I also use the Miss Jessie Pillow Soft Curls. I've been really loving this product. I've been using it for like the past 2 months. I actually used this one when I first started my curly journey and I loved it, and I fell off from using it, but I'm using it again and I really like it. It's an oldie and it's really good. And then of course I had to use my Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Stronghold Gel. I'm almost out of it, but this gel never fails me. I cannot use another gel. Like, I think this is like the only gel that I know that it's like my go-to. If I want to have a good hair day, I have to use this gel. Like, I have not found another gel that is gonna replace this gel, but yeah, this is my go-to. And then to break out the cast, I use my Briogeo Farewell Frizz oil. But yeah, these are my results. Please let me know down in the comments below, what do you guys think? If you guys like it, if you guys like my new cut. I actually like it. Like I had said before, I've been really enjoying short hair. It's low maintenance and it's just, I don't have to use a lot of product, and my hair dries really fairly like quickly. So for now, I'm gonna keep my short hair. Maybe later on I'm gonna let it grow out, but for right now, I really am truly enjoying short hair. So yeah, let me show you guys the back. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I hope you guys are back to see my next video. Bye.